So my boyfriend and I wanted to do DIY napkins for our wedding, but didn't want to spend a whole lot of money, so this is what we did. Went on Pinterest and I looked for inspo. Once I found the design I wanted, I went ahead and I went onto the Cricut app, made my design. And you can go ahead and just duplicate it. Go ahead and press make it. Then you'd go to your Cricut and put it on iron-on. And go ahead and put your vinyl down. Once you're ready, go ahead and select the mat you want to use. The vinyl I got was from Michael's, and these are easy to weed. I figured it'd be the easiest to go ahead and take it out. They have all different colors. So once you select your mat, just make sure the mirror for iron-on is on, so that way it goes ahead and prints it backwards. And when it prints it backwards, it will be the right way when you go ahead and iron. I'm just gonna have my Cricut start cutting. I know it's hard to see here on the camera, but this one is already cut. And I will show you how to start peeling. So the best way to start doing this is to use your little Cricut tool to go ahead and be able to weed. Luckily, this paper is nice and easy to come off. Once you've got the corner with this, you can just go ahead and just peel with your fingers. You don't have to be gentle with it. It's actually very good, especially when you picked an easy font like I did, which I totally recommend for things that you're going to be doing a lot of. Once one of them is done, you can go ahead and cut the desired part you want to do. Just going to do one at a time here. And this is what it would look like. Like I said, it has to be backwards so that once you're putting it on the napkin, it's actually the right way. So this is what it looks like, the finishing one. I went ahead and I got some dollar store napkins, which were the cheapest ones for the cocktail napkins. They're $1.25 now for the 30. And we go ahead and we are able to place some design wherever it is you want it on the napkin. I also have the Cricut iron-on, the heat press, but if you don't have this, that's okay. You can use a regular iron-on to go ahead and do this. I was just lucky enough to have the Cricut heat press, but like I said, a regular iron-on will work. A regular iron will work. You can go ahead and put some parchment paper, especially if you're using a regular iron at home. Definitely use that paper to go ahead and prevent it from burning. Put it on, put your timer. And once that's done, we go ahead and we take it off. And then you're just gonna go ahead, and this is a hot peel. So you're just gonna go ahead and peel off the clear sticker, and there's your beautiful napkin ready for your wedding. Hope you enjoy.